with
This
the previous
conference
session.
will now be recorded.
Okay. So the first we completed the two category functions like a number based functions and string functions. And already I told you, okay, so string and date related, the two category functions are related to the dimensions. Okay, sometimes, okay, the Tableau will show you the string related calculated fields or date related calculated fields. Okay, so it will be available under the measure category, but it should be available under the dimension. So manually we have to drag and drop the string calculations and the dimension sorry, date calculations. So in the date calculation, see, whenever you have a requirement like a date related requirement, then we can able to use the date functions. Okay, so date related requirement in the sense um, like a trend analysis over the period of the time, like a year wise trend, month wise trend, whatever it may be. Okay, so sometimes you have to create the um, calculated field like a new calculated date field also. Okay, so basically, see here, there are the four important functions are available under the date category, and some other functions also available, but these four functions are very, very important. Okay, so basically, the date in the sense like might be it will be available in full format of the date like a year, month, or date. Okay, so sometimes you can able to see the timestamp value also. Timestamp in the sense it included the date along with the time values also, like a hours, minutes, and seconds. Okay, so this is also like a date format, and it is also like a date format, but it is a timestamp value. See, basically, whenever you are using the date in the Tableau, by default it will show you in the high level hierarchy value of the date field. Okay, so from the out of this format like a year, month, and date, so out of this format, what is the high level hierarchy format? Here is the high level hierarchy value, right? Okay, like for example, in geographical field, like a country is the highest value. Out of that, okay, region, then state level, then district level, then postal code level. So out of these values, country is the highest value. Same way in the date format also, in the entire format, okay, here is the high level hierarchy value. Okay, so whenever you are using the date field in the report level, okay, if you drag and drop the date field onto the row self or a column self, okay, by default it will show you the year information, even though the date contains full format, okay, like a year, month, and date. But when you use it, okay, it will show you the only year information by default. Look over here. So let me show you the how exactly the date is existed in the database. Let me edit this data connection, then you will understand. See here, it is order date. It contains the year format, month, and day information. But whenever you drag and drop or whenever you are using this date field, it will show you the only year information. Okay, it's not showing any other information as default. Okay, but if you want to change this format information, you can able to change it. So how exactly you will change? Just right click, sorry, just select this date option. Okay, in the drop down list option, click on that. You can able to change the year format to quarter format. Okay, quarter to month format also. Okay, like way day wise information also you can able to change. It is like a required information format we are displaying here. Okay, so might be you have some question here, like for example, when you drag and drop the date field here, you can able to see the entire 4 years of the data, like a 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2019, right? Okay, see,
Yeah.
but when you are changing the same year, okay, so into the month or quarter, but here it is showing the only 4 quarters, right? basically in
Only 4 quarters,
2017
yeah.
you can able to see the 4 quarters. 2018 also you can able to see the 4 quarters. 2019 also you can able to see the 4 quarters. 2020 also you can able to see the 4 quarters. But how exactly it is showing only for the 4 quarters? It is nothing but a aggregated for all the years. Okay.
Hmm.
So this quarter one representing 2017 quarter one, 2018 quarter one, 2019 quarter one, 2020 quarter one. Okay, so same way to quarter two in the sense it is like a 2017 quarter two, 2018 quarter two, 2019 quarter two, 2020 quarter two. Okay, so it is the aggregated value for all the years. Okay, so just to see here, okay, it is quarter one in the sense like a 2017 quarter one value, 2018 quarter one value, 2019 quarter one value. Okay, so might be whenever you create this type of requirement, so might be customer ask you, okay, so from which year quarter one it is. Okay, it is not representing any one of the quarter one value, any one of year quarter one value. It is the combination of all the year quarter one value. Okay, you have to say like that. Clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. See, basically, if you want to change the year to quarter, month, or something, yes, you can able to change it. Same way, okay, when you change the quarter to month, so January, it's not for the single year January. It is the
Hmm.
for all the years January. Okay,
Yes.
2017
So
January, 2018
yeah, so it's
January,
combining all the Januaries,
yeah,
right?
combining for all the years
Okay.
January. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Same way, because only we can able to see the only 12 months, but
Hmm.
in we have the 4 years or 5 years data, but how exactly it will show you or which year January it is. Okay, it's not for the single year January. Okay, it's the
Single year.
combination
Yeah.
of all the January. Okay, you have to say like that. Okay, clear,
Yeah.
Abhijit?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. Hmm. Next one is, see, basically, if you want to see the individual values, okay, so 2017, 18, 19, or 20. So sometimes customer will ask you, okay, I don't want to see the month aggregation values. I want to see the year and month information. Then go to that option here, okay, more option. In more option, go to the custom option. Okay, in the drop down list you can able to see the required format. You can able to select like month and year or month, day, year, whatever you want. Okay, just to select, like right now I am going
Hmm.
to select month. See, 2017, 2017 February, 2017 March, 2017 April. Okay, so this is the way you can able to select here. So see here, January 2017 the sales is 14,000, but here
Yeah.
January value is 94,000 because
94,000.
not the 17 January. It is the,
Hmm.
all the yes January. Okay, clear.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. It's clear.
Now see, this is the one way to change the date format from year to quarter, month, or day, or required format. Okay, so the next thing is continuous process also is existed. Just to select the year.
Hmm.
Okay, this is like a continuous process. It is also year, but it is a discrete value. See here, it is also like a 2017 4,84,247. It is also like a 4,84,247. It is also year and it's also year, but it is a continuous years. Okay, so you can able to change the dimension color also. It is like a light green. Okay, but whereas in the discrete date value, okay, it is like a blue value. See here, you can able to see the difference between the discrete color and continuous color. And discrete is nothing but a countable values. Continuous is nothing but a, it's like a starting value you can able to see, the ending value you can't able to predict it here. Okay, it is like a continuous process of the date. Okay, so same way if you want to see the year and quarter, just to select the continuous values. So 2020 quarter 4, this is the 2020 quarter 3, 20 quarter 1 and 20 quarter 1, quarter 2 and quarter 1. Okay, so this is the way you can able to change it. And the next one is month and year. Okay, see. Okay, same way, if you want to week number and year, whatever it may be, you can able to change according to the customer requirement. Okay, clear, Abhijit?
Yes, sir. It's clear. But just one was that the when you're showing me the district numbers and continuous numbers,
Hmm.
so in real time world, what we can use means in real
Okay.
time environment.
Okay, okay. So it depends on the requirement. Okay. So just to
Okay.
understand right now, like a discrete date and there is a existed difference between the discrete and continuous. Okay. So
Hmm.
whenever we are creating these line charts, now I will explain you with practically. Then you will
Okay.
understand. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
where we will go with the continuous, where we will go with the discrete. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Right
Yes.
now, just to understand how to play these options. Okay,
Hmm.
so even though if I explain more than this, okay, you will be confused, but just understand the options is available and how to play these options, how exactly it looks like when we click on this one. Just
Yes.
try to
Yes.
understand right now. So
Yes, sir.
whenever
Okay.
we are explaining this now, okay, so charts how exactly we will create, then you will understand fully. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So the next one is, see here. Okay. See, basically, whenever we created the date field like this, okay, you can able to see according to the requirement wise. And see, sometimes might be you want to see the date exact format. Okay, like in the date, sorry, in the edit data source, you can able to see the full format of the date field, like a year, month, and day information. Okay, it is not showing any month name or anything, just it's showing the full format of the date field. But
Hmm.
if you want to same format in the report level also, okay, how exactly we will see. Okay, just right click on the this drop down list, go to the discrete, and sorry, go to the exact date information, click on this. Okay, this is like a exact date,
Hmm.
and at the same time when you click on the exact date, it should not be continuous, it should be discrete values.
Okay.
Okay, see here, now you can able to see the full format of the date, like a year, month and quarter, sorry, month and day information. Okay, if you want to display the how exactly the data is existed in the data source level, this is the process. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will see practically. Okay, so how exactly we will use the like a date functions. Okay, so basically whenever we will go with the date difference, date add. Okay, so date difference is nothing but a, if you want to create or if you want to calculate the two date subtractions. Okay, the two date fields. So if you want to subtract the two date fields, then we will use the date difference function. Date add is nothing but a, if you want to create the new date field, then we will go with the date add function. Okay, see here. Today function representing today information, today date information. So it contains like a only year, month, and day information. So now we now function representing, okay, so timestamp value of the value of the now. Okay, so it can, okay, see here. The date difference function, just if you want to subtract the two date fields, then we will go with the date difference function. If you want to create the new date field, okay, then we will go with the date add. Same way, if you want to use the today information, okay, so we will go with the today function. Okay, now function also, if you want to use that now information like a timestamp information, then we will go with the now function. So how exactly we will use this function, when we will use these functions, okay, we will see practically. Okay, let me show you that. Like for example, so today you have purchased one item in the Amazon or Flipkart, whatever it may be, Abhijit. Okay, so by default the store will create the one order ID for you, right? This is your order ID. Okay, so today you have purchased the one order ID, so this is your order date. So I can able to switch to the exact date. So just to select the exact date and discrete value. And so after few days or after 5 days, so might be your order ID, order items might be shipped to the your home. This is the shipping date. Okay, see here. This is the order ID and the order date and the shipping date. So you are running the business like a Amazon website business or e-commerce website or Flipkart, anything. Okay, so you want to improve your business. Okay, and if you want to take, if you want to track the records. Okay, so which order ID is taking too much time, like more than 7 days or more than 4 days. So if you want to identify the that exact reason, then you can able to improve the like a services, right? Assistant to the customers. So then your business will be improved and you will get the more profit. Okay, so now you have to track the how many days it is taking the each and every order ID. Okay, and what is the reason for that, you have to track that one. So how to identify the uh, how many days it has taken and what is the reason. So first of all you have to subtract the date information like order date and shipping date, right, Abhijit?
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, yes, sir.
Now just to create the calculated fields,
Mhm.
date difference value. Okay, so the difference of the, so my result expectation, my output expectation is day information. See, the date part is
Yes.
nothing but a your result expectation format. So my date part is day. Okay, if you are expecting like a month wise, just to mention the month, but my expectation is day wise. So what is the starting date, like a order date is my starting date, and what is the ending date, ship date is my ending date. Then click on the OK. So already I told you, whenever you are creating the string calculation fields or a date calculated fields, it should be available under the dimension. It should not be available under the measure. So just to drag and drop onto the dimension category. Now just to drag and drop onto the row cell. Now you can able to see the days information like a subtract the two date fields like order date and ship date. Clear, Abhijit?
Yeah, yes, sir. It's clear.
See here. Now some order IDs are taking like a more than 7 days also. Okay.
Hmm.
Now like for example, let me create the some report here. This is my order ID and order ID wise sales information I can able to see. But if the order ID is taking more than 7 days or more than 6 days, so the order
Hmm.
ID should be in the red color. Then I can able to create this calculation fields. Okay, I can able to create this calculated fields, and I can able to create one more calculated field for the color diversion.
Hmm.
If date, our calculated field is, so our calculation field date difference function. If it is more than 6 days or more than 5 days,
Mm-hmm.
then it should be like a red color.
Red color, right?
Else it's like a green. Then click on the okay. Just to drag and drop onto the colors.
Okay.
Okay. So now I can able to see. If you want, you can able to change it. So red color should be in red position. Green color should be in the green.
Green position.
Okay, see here. So these are all the order IDs are more than 6 days or more than 5 days
5 days.
shipping authorities. Okay, so remaining things are the like a uh, within below 5 days. Okay, the order IDs are shipping to the customer. So you
Mm-hmm.
have
Mm-hmm.
to track this one and you have to identify the what is the root cause. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, and the next one is, see, right now you created the one report like a how many days it has taken the to ship the particular order ID. But now one more thing might be you will observe the these points. Okay, whenever you are placing the order into the websites like e-commerce websites like a Flipkart, Amazon, whatever it may be. So when you purchase the item, like today you have purchased one item. Okay, today is 6th of the 16th, 2024.
Yeah.
Okay, basically today you purchase one laptop, so automatically the website will give you the one expected delivery date. It is not the exact date, but expected
Mm-hmm.
delivery date, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so might be they will add or they will add the 4 days or 5 days on top of the order date. Okay, so this is your order date, and they will add the plus 4 days on top of it. Okay, just they will add the 4 days on top of the your order date. So 16th your order date, and they will add the plus 4 days. Totally 28th of the sixth month and 2024, your order item will be reached to the customer. This is the
Mm-hmm.
normal procedure, right? Okay, so backend they will write the some algorithms to add the plus 4 days or plus 5 days according to the like a postal code wise also they can able to add it. Like for example, if it is a rural area, they will add the 10 days or they will add the 5 days. But if it is
Mm-hmm.
like a metropolitan cities or something, just they will add the 2 days or 3 days. Okay, so according to their algorithm, they can able to add it. But right now, just it is our simple scenario. Okay, so how
Yeah.
to create the expected delivery date? Okay, I am also going to add the plus 2 days or plus 4 days on top of the order date. Okay, so expected delivery date is nothing but a I am going to create the new date field on top of the existing date. Okay, I am going to add the plus 2 date, right? Look over here. So this is my order date. I am going to add the plus 2 days or plus 3 days on top of the order date, and I am creating the new date field.
New
Okay,
date field.
uh, requirement is clear, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm going to create the expected delivery date. So date add function. So I'm going to add the plus 2 days, right? So 2 days is
Mm-hmm.
nothing but a day. So my expected day is, so like my expected date part is my output should be increased by the day wise. So that's why
Different.
I mentioned the day format, day format.
Mm-hmm.
So what is the date information, or what? How many days are you going to be add? I'm going to add the plus 2 days or plus 5 days.
5 days.
Okay, and
Yeah.
the next one is what is your date field? My date field is order date. Okay, clear.
Yeah.
So I'm going to add the plus 5 days. on top of the order date. Click on the OK. See here, you can able to see the is equal to calendar symbol.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is like a calendar symbol and it is like a is equal to calendar. So is equal representing the calculated field. So
Mm-hmm.
calendar symbol is representing date field, like it is like a calculated date field. And here you can able to see the like a symbol only calendar, but in the expected delivery date contains the calendar plus clock symbol. So clock symbol representing like a timestamp values. Okay, timestamp, what is the timestamp value? It's include the hours, minutes and seconds also. Okay,
So
that's it.
so yeah.
Okay, now see here, just to drag and drop this expected delivery date onto the row cell. Now click on the exact date. Click on the discrete values. See here, so this is my order date 9th 7th 2017, my order placed. Okay, but the expected delivery date is 9th month 12th, it will be delivered
Mm-hmm.
because I am adding the plus 5 days. Clear?
Plus one. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so this is like a day adding information, but if you want to add the plus 5 days or plus 2 months or anything, okay, so just change the date part. Like here I added the day, right? Just to mention the month also. Okay, might be it will be add the plus 5 months.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see here. My order date is 9th month 7th 2017, but it will be delivered on the 2018 second month, like a February 7th on the same date. But month will be changed because 9th is my order date and plus 5 months, like a
Mm-hmm.
2018 it will be delivered. Okay,
Okay.
clear?
Yeah.
So same way, if you want to add the like a year wise information, so just your output, what is your output part? Okay, my output part should be changed based on the year format.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 5 years I'm going to be added. Click on it. See here. So actually it will be ordered on 2017, but same month, same day it will be delivered, but year will be 5 years, like a
5
2024.
years. Yeah.
Okay. So, and in the date difference also, okay, so in the output you have to decide. So, and when you subtract the two date field, what is the output expectation, like a day expectation or month expectation or year expectation? Just to mention the your expectations. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Okay. The next one is today. Is it clear, right? The two date functions.
Yeah. Yeah. To date functions is clear.
Okay. Next one is today function. So basically today function, it will give the today information. Okay, like for example, um, just write the today function. Don't write anything, just write the today function. Today function. Just to drag and drop and click on the exact date. See here. 6th month 16 2024. It will give the
Mm-hmm.
today information. Okay, but how exactly we will use this function in real time now? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so in real time, where exactly we will use this type of requirement? Okay, so let me show you with the practical thing. Okay, so might be you know the like a 1 minute. So like for example, when you are investing the I mean some customers are investing in the like a mutual fund or share market or something, right? Okay, so even the
Mm-hmm.
employees also are joining into the office. Okay, so like for example, you someone are running one organization. Okay, so they are maintaining the database. Okay, so the first field name is employee id, employee name and employee date of birth. Okay, employee id 101, employee name something like a A, and the date of birth is 1987,
Mm-hmm.
102, employee name is B, and 1, 2, 1988, 103, employee name is C, 1, 3, 1989. Okay, see here. So only three employees are available in my company. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so now I want to identify the each employee age group. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so what is the employee age as of now? As of now. So today
Mm-hmm.
I want to see the employee age. How to identify the employee age as of now? Just okay, we have only one date field. So
Yeah.
everywhere, okay, so the customers are employees, they will provide their date of birth only. They won't provide their end date, right? They don't know, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So just they will provide their date of birth, and actual end date is today is their end date, right? Okay. So as of
Yes.
now, I want to identify the employee age. Okay. So then just take the each employee. Okay. Second date is today is the employee name. Okay, so this is today function.
Mm-hmm.
Now I can able to see. Now I can able to differentiate the to date field.
Yes.
Okay, then it will show you the exact age information. Okay,
That
so
is, yeah.
whenever you have a yes, whenever you have a single date, okay, if you want to subtract with the today value, then you have to
Mm-hmm.
use the today function. Okay,
Yes.
clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so today function also same. Okay, whenever you have a requirement, you can able to use this information. Right now, see here, I have a employee, and employee wise date of birth is there. See, this is my employee
Yeah.
and employee date information.
Yeah.
Okay, but as of now, what is the each and every employee is? If I want to identify that, okay, so I don't have the two date field. If I have a date field, I can able to subtract it, but
Mm-hmm.
I can able to take the today function as a second date field.
Second best field. Yeah.
Date difference of, so here now in expectation output is year wise, right? So how many
Mm-hmm.
years as of now? Okay, then so
Yes, of
that's why
now.
date part is year, starting date is date of birth, and ending date we don't know. So that's why just to take the today function.
Today function. Okay.
Second, okay. So the age should be in the dimension. Just to drag and drop. See here. As of now, 101 employee age is 28 years. 102 age as of now 30 years. Okay, clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. And same way, whenever you have to subtract the timestamp values with the today value, then we will go with the now function. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It is very important topic. Okay, today function. Okay, so because in real time now, whenever
Mm-hmm.
you are working with a like a HR projects or a customer related projects or something, okay, you have to use the today functions. It is very important. Please remember this
Yeah.
point. Okay.
Yeah. No, especially with insurance here, like
Yes,
we
yes.
have a lot of data,
Insurance.
insurance data. Yeah.
Mm. Okay. So the next one is logical functions. Okay, it is also very important. Logical functions. See, basically, so far we created the so many calculated fields in each category, right? See, in the number category, string category, and the date category. So everywhere, straight away we are writing the simple calculation. Like for example, in the length function, na, so just it will straight away it will provide the calculation. Only one condition we are writing, and based on the condition wise, it will give the result. Straight
Mm-hmm.
away, single condition. There is no logic behind the calculations. Okay, but if you have any logical or any conditions need to be checked, and according to the condition wise, if you need a result, okay, then we will go with the logical function. Like for example, I have a one condition, like if my order days greater than 5 days, or sorry, greater than 2 days, okay, it should be like a yellow color. Okay,
Hmm.
so if my order days is greater than 5 days, it should be red color. Okay? Else, if the days greater than 3, and if the days less than 5, okay, then it should be like a yellow. Else, okay, so I'm expectation like a green color. Okay, so here now there is no single condition, single calculation. Okay, so my expected output is multiple things. Okay, so just I am checking the multiple condition here to get the accurate values. Okay, if my days greater than 5, then it should be
Hmm.
red color. If
Red,
the days greater than 3 and less than 5, then it should be yellow.
yellow,
Otherwise, so always should be
else,
like a else condition. Okay,
green.
so here I am checking the multiple conditions here. Okay, and
Mhm.
second example is like for example, we have a multiple regions in the geographical, right, multiple regions. Okay, like for example, if the region is south region, okay, I want to give the different uh, discount. Okay, if the south region people might be, I need a 5% discount for each transaction. Okay, if the region is east region, okay, I want to provide the like a 4% discount for the people. Okay, if the people coming from the north region, then I need to provide the like a discount like a 3% discount. Okay, if it is west region, then I need to provide the 10% of the discount for the each transaction. If it is central region, okay, I need to provide the discount like a 4.5%. Okay, so it depends on the region existing wise. I need to provide the discount. Okay, south region might be the money is less, so then I can able to provide the some extra discount for the people. If it is coming from the east region, okay, so those people can able to earn the more money, so I can able to provide the less discount on the each transaction. Not people are more money, right? So then I can able to provide the like a less discount like a 3%, west region more 10%, or central region. So here I am checking the each condition wise. The result also is different, conditions also more conditions. Okay, so my calculation should be checking with each and every logical information. So if you have a requirement like this, so the logical functions category is suitable for that. Okay, clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, so in the logical function, okay, if statement is very important thing. Okay, so what is the if statement, how to write the if statement in the real time? Okay, so basically in the if statement, just here we have to write the condition. So whatever condition, just to mention in the if statement. Okay, so like for example, if it is a south region, okay, if it is a south region, this is my condition. Or if the days greater than 5 days, this is condition. Okay, this condition should be right in the if statement. Okay, if the condition is satisfied, then you have to write the result, right? So the result should be right in the then statement. See, this is the then statement. Here we have to write the condition result. Okay, so condition results also two types. Okay, if the condition result is string, straight away mention in the single quotation like a red. So sometimes Okay, calculations like measures also you have to specify, like, okay, if the region is, if the days greater than 5%, then punishments like a uh, sum of the sales method, then we will provide the 5% discount as well, or 2% or whatever. Okay, I will give the some discount to the customer. If the days is greater than 5, okay, I will provide the some discount. Okay, this is my compensation. So please ignore the days less shipping date. Okay, so this is like a then statement. In the then statement, you can able to write the two types of result condition. One is the measures, second one is the string. If it is string, then straight away mention the double quotation. Okay, if it is measure, straight away mention. So this is like a first condition. If the first condition
Mhm.
satisfied, this is result. But if you need to specify in the second condition, it should be write it in the else if condition. Okay, clear?
Mhm. Yeah.
So the else if condition also checking, then it should be right within the then statement also need to be right, and then statement you can able to specify the like a result value.
Mhm.
Okay. And again, if you want to write the one more condition, or if you want to check the one more condition, again write the else if statement. Likewise, you can able to specify n number of the state conditions. Okay, clear?
Yeah. It's clear, sir.
Okay. So once we done with the conditions, then here now you have added the if statement, right? So
Yeah.
it should be end. Okay,
Okay.
you have opened the if statement, then it should be end with the end statement. Just the end is indicating the end of the if statement. That's it.
End of the external. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you have any questions on this? So you can able to, sorry, you have to write these type of conditions in real time. Okay, and it's
Mhm.
very simple, and just concentrate on how to write the conditions and how to specify the results in the if statement. Okay.
Great.
Now let me show. See, here I have a employee,
Yeah.
and employee wise date of birth or whatever it may be.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I want to identify the uh, if the employee age is more than 30 years. Okay. So the employee should be in the like a red color. Okay. If the employee age is more than 25 color, then it should be like a green color. If the employee age is more than 50 colors, 50 age, then it should be like a red color. So if you want to write those type of conditions, just specify here with the if statement. Okay, it is important. The if statement. In the if
Yeah.
statement, just to mention the like a condition. If the age is greater than 50, then
50. Yeah.
you have to specify the result in the then statement like a red color.
Mhm. Else.
Else if I'm checking the second condition,
Okay.
greater than 40 and less than 50, then it is greater than 30 and less than 50, then yellow 2. My last condition is the age is less than 30.
Less than 30.
Then
Okay.
green.
Great.
So here I add open the if statement, right? So again I have
Yeah.
to close the if statement like here with the end statement.
And
Okay. See here. There is some error here. Just click on this.
mhm.
Expected end to match the if at the character.
S- So, so my question is this: this is a calculation view, and then we are also putting some referencing another calculation view, sorry, calculation field
Mm, mm,
uh,
mm, mm.
into the loop. So this is kind of like a nested calculation field, right?
Mm, mm, mm. Okay, but without calculation reference also, you can able to write it down the if statement. Okay,
Okay,
already in the age
okay.
field, na? Okay, so straight away it is getting the values. So that's why, okay, so we are taking that value. Okay,
Mhm.
okay,
Okay.
without that age field also, you can able to specify.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so the calculation is valid. Okay, then the click on the okay. So now just to drag and drop onto the color code.
Okay, wow. Okay. So I picked
Okay,
it up.
see here. Okay, here you can able to see the yellow and green. Okay. If you want to cross check this one, just cross check it. Okay, so some others are coming like a exact 30. If it is exact 30, okay, what should write in the condition? We didn't specify it, right? Okay, let me show you that.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
just straight away we have specified the greater than 30. Okay, so
30.
we have to either equal to 30 or
Yeah.
how exactly. Okay,
Mhm.
we have to specify. See here. Okay, only green and yellow. There is no red color.
Mhm.
Like a more than 50 age group peoples are not available in the company.
Company, right.
Okay. So this is the one way to write the if statement. And second
Mhm.
thing is, okay, like for example, I have a region and region wise sales I have here. Okay. So for example, you are running one organization object. Okay. So according to the sales contribution wise, you want to provide the some discount to the customers. Okay, so like for example in west region, okay, you can able to see the more profit. Okay, and sorry, more sales information. And east region you can able to see the more sales information, but in the central region and the south region, sales contributions are very less. Even south regions are providing the sales very less. Okay, if you provide some discount in the south region, okay, so they can able to purchase it more items, then you will get the more profit, right? So just you need to provide some discount to the south region, likewise central region, east region, west region also. Okay, according to the region wise, if you want to provide some discount, okay, and if you want to check the each region wise, and then you have to provide the discount. So if you have a requirement like that, so just write the if statement here. If statement second, if my region is equal to requirement clear, right? Object.
Yeah.
If it is south region, right, then out of the sales, okay, on top of the sales, okay, I'm going to provide the, okay, 0.5%.
Yeah. 0.5% more discount, right?
Yes, yes, just for understanding.
No, no, no. That's that's okay.
So company has to close that. Central region like a 4%.
No, in my like my last job that I was working in a
Okay,
bank, providing
okay,
support for this SAP BW, right? So there used
okay.
to be instances where the bank has deposited $1 million in one person's account, and next morning it is taken back the $1 million because by mistake it went and it got deposited. And
Which
this is
bank
how
it
the
is?
S4 HANA team used to create those big long numbers, and BW
Okay,
was not able to handle them. So we used to always have conflict with them.
okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, it might be it happened. Okay, okay. See here, Abhijit. Okay, so the conditions what we have written is everything is fine. Okay,
Yeah.
the region is called south region. So why I have mentioned the single quotation in the sense it's like a character. So that's why I
Correct.
have mentioned within the single quotation. On top of my sales, I am providing the 0.5. Okay, so syntax wise there is no error. Okay, but still it is showing the error. It is important thing. I have
Hmm.
to tell you, so that's why I have written this code. Okay, just open this option. Okay, like a error code option. See,
Hmm.
in real time you have to face these type of error mistakes. Okay, so even some like a interview also they will ask you like a have you faced any errors, what type of errors you have faced, so tell me those things. So they will tell you, they will ask you the questions like this. So you have to
Hmm.
mention these type of errors also, like cannot mix the aggregate and non-aggregated comparison within the single calculation. Okay,
Hmm.
see here, this is like a non-aggregated field. The region is a non-aggregated field. Some
Yeah.
of the sales is like a aggregated field. But you can't able to compare both information in the single condition and single calculation.
Hmm.
Okay, but still I need this calculation. Okay, but this is my like a correct calculation. Okay, so but I have to pause this calculation. How to do that one?
Okay.
Okay, if you have a requirement like this and if you have a this type of error statement, okay, so there is the some calculated function is there. It is very important function, like it is like a attr function. Please remember this function name,
Yes.
attr. Just to specify the attr function in the non-aggregated field. Now look over here. The calculation is valid, but how exactly it works and what is the use of this attr function? Okay. So you can able to see the ATR function usage here. See here, return the value of the given expression if it only has a string single value for all the rows and group. Otherwise, it display the and the entire risk. Okay. So, but you can't able to digest this one. But how exactly it works to the expression? See, just it
Yeah.
is making the comparison between the non-aggregated field and aggregated field. That's it. Okay, again I'm repeating. See here, it is making the comparison. So earlier you can't able to compare the aggregated and non-aggregated fields, right? But ATTR function just it is making the comparison between the non-aggregated field and aggregation. Okay, so you can able to simply give the single line answer. Okay,
Yeah.
clear.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. And click on the OK. Just drag and drop onto the browser.
District.
See here. Okay, so in the south region, if you provide the 0.5% or something, okay, it is like a 1 lakh or something. Okay, so there is a some 0 point not 0.5, 0.0. Okay, see 19,000 rupees. Okay, so it is like a 20,000 rupees. So this is the way you have to write the if statement and the ATTR function also. Okay, so I wantedly tell you that the like a this calculation regarding this ATTR function. Whenever you have a like a comparison and sorry aggregation and non-aggregation comparison errors comes into the picture. Okay, you have to handle with the ATTR function. Okay, the, clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Ankit?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This
Okay.
is always
So
used
this is
for.
the just it is making the comparison between the
Mhm.
non-aggregation and aggregation. Okay, you
Aggregation.
have
Yeah.
to specify on top of the non-aggregated field.
Yeah.
Okay, and tomorrow we will see the is null function and if null function. Okay, so it
Okay.
will take like a 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, so I mean the date functions is there, if function, just to practice
Mhm.
today. Okay, we will continue
Yeah.
with the tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
Yes, sir.
Ankit.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Happy
Bye.
week.